In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to MidJourney. If you're an aspiring artist or someone interested in exploring the cutting-edge world of AI-generated art, MidJourney offers a fantastic platform to dive into. Let's walk through the process of subscribing, ensuring you're all set to embark on your creative journey. First things first, you'll need a Discord account. MidJourney operates through this popular platform, so having a Discord account is essential. If you haven't got one yet, signing up is straightforward. Simply head over to Discord's website, register for a new account, and follow the prompts. Once your Discord account is ready, the next step is to join the MidJourney Discord server. This space will not only be where you interact with the MidJourney tools, but also where you connect with a community of like-minded individuals. Now that you're part of the MidJourney Discord community, the next step is to visit MidJourney's website, midjourney.com. Here, you'll need to log in using your Discord credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage Subscription page. This is your command center for all things related to your subscription. If you're finding it tricky to locate, you can also use the subscribe command directly in the MidJourney Discord server, which should guide you to the subscription page conveniently. With access to the subscription options, you'll see that MidJourney offers a variety of plans. They have Basic, Standard, Pro, and Mega tiers. Each plan is designed to cater to different levels of usage, so think about what suits your needs best. Consider the amount of fast GPU time you might need, or whether you'd benefit from features like stealth mode. Another important decision is whether you'd like to pay monthly or annually. Opting for annual billing often comes with the benefit of a discount, so keep that in mind as you explore your options. Once you've settled on a plan that fits your creative aspirations and budget, it's time to complete the checkout process. Click on the subscribe button next to your chosen plan. MidJourney uses Stripe as its payment processor, which is known for its security and reliability. Enter your payment details through Stripe's interface. The available payment methods will largely depend on what Stripe supports in your country, but generally, major credit or debit cards are accepted, along with some alternatives. Upon successful payment, you will receive a confirmation email. This message will include your invoice or receipt, ensuring transparency in your new subscription. Now that your plan is active, you can always check your current subscription status by going back to your account's Manage Subscription page. And there you have it, a seamless step-by-step guide to subscribing to MidJourney. I hope this makes your entry into the world of AI-generated art smooth and exciting. And happy creating!